Title: Watermelon Wonders, Unveiling. Secrets of Nature's Juiciest Gift. Watermelon Wonders is not your ordinary documentary. It's a whimsical and fantastical journey into the enchanting world of watermelons. This imaginative documentary combines elements of magical realism with informative storytelling to explore the mysteries and marvels of this beloved fruit. Introduce a character who has a special connection with watermelons, someone who can communicate with the fruit. This character embarks on a whimsical adventure through watermelon fields, listening to their stories and secrets. Incorporate dreamlike sequences where viewers are transported inside the dreams of a watermelon. Explore the surreal landscapes and adventures that watermelons might experience in their dreams. Enlist a group of musicians who create melodic compositions using watermelons as musical instruments. Explore the unique sounds and harmonies that watermelons can produce. Showcase artists who use watermelons as their canvas. Watch as intricate designs and sculptures are carved into watermelon rinds, turning them into works of art. Imagine a contraption that allows viewers to travel back in time to witness the history of watermelons. Visit ancient civilizations that cultivated and cherished this fruit. Incorporate a fictional story about an alien species that communicates with Earth through watermelons, highlighting the fruit's universal appeal. Create a grand finale where all the elements of the documentary come together in a grand watermelon-themed symphony, combining music, art, storytelling, and magic.